I still remember life before the war. I remember that we used to be different. Used to live up there, on the surface. We used to be the masters of the whole world. We built gigantic cities of glass and steel. We crossed the oceans at will. And we also conquered the skies. There used to be 7 billion of us. We were not born for life in the tunnels. I was born to breathe fresh air, and I remember it. The 7 billion were wiped out by the last war. Only 50,000 managed to survive underground, with the surface poisoned, burned, and teeming with horrible monsters. One day the radiation on the surface might subside, and our grandchildren or their grandchildren might be able to return there. At least that's what my brothers in arms from the Order believe. Basically, there was no hope for us right off the start. Still, we humans are just too bad at surrendering. We tried to make the best of what we had, banded together, and worked to make the metro our new home. After all, it might well be the only place left on Earth for humans to live. For a time, we thought we could make it. But, regrettably, the war didn't kill our bad habits. In the relative safety of the tunnels, corruption festered. And when danger came from above the ground, only a few of us stood against it, our numbers dwindling by the day. But I remember we were born for a better life, and I can't accept that I'm destined to grow old and die underground. I don't care if I'm called an idiot. But if even a single shard of the old world still exists out there, I have to find it. Between endless years of hopeless existence and even a single moment of hope, I must choose hope. I must find that signal.
观众朋友们，大家好，欢迎收看老戴解说的《地铁逃离》的第1集。这也是本系列的第3作，第1作是2033，第2作是最后的曙光，而本作《地铁逃离》于2019年的2月15日发售。我使用的版本是 PC 版，使用的难度是困难难度。前期的流程比较氛围流，所以说我少说话，观众们感受氛围。游戏的故事是根据小说《地铁2033》进行的改编，描述的是近未来2033年，整个地球因为大规模的核战导致人类几乎全灭，而剩下来的一帮人是当时核战的时候乘坐地铁的一帮人，他们只能生活在地下，而地面则被核辐射所覆盖。游戏的第1作《地铁2033》距本作发售已经有9年的历史，2010年发售的，也是当时比较早或者说最早的一批支持 D+11 技术的游戏。 得到了一个弹夹，本作跟前作一样，也有很丰富的装备改进系统。有多少观众给夏哥变死？游戏里面有一个很重要的特色，就是光啊，我们可以把几乎是任何的光源，不管是比如说取暖的炉子、火堆、蜡烛、灯，都可以打开或者关掉。里面有个子弹，为什么当时不拿那个子弹？做的是后配啊。拿一下子弹，有怪物。本作跟前作比，捡垃圾的成分大大的加重。我不知道现在什么游戏都喜欢捡垃圾，就是搜刮一些东西，实际上都不是捡垃圾了。比如说可以搜刮材料，然后可以搜刮弹药、配件、武器，还有提供我们呼吸的过滤嘴，赶快逃！
Stay with us.
They're coming back. Attention, people. Oh, look, it's the hero.
Why are the lights off? It's nighttime at the station.
Don't worry. I told you.
I got it. Open up. Go!
Looks like Artyom's been on another one of his mad trips up top.
Poor kid.
Because hey, one too many explosions at D6.
Where to now?
Left across the square. Hey, Damir, do you think the colonel knows what Artyom been up to here? How am I supposed to know? Ask him yourself. He radioed from the rig, said he'd be here tomorrow. Hey, you! Leave him alone!
I killed him myself.
Let him learn to stand up for himself. How else can he hope to survive in the metro? Rise and shine, people! Hang in there, Artyom. You're gonna get a fresh dose of Spartan blood now.
Artyom, are you awake? It's okay. The doctor said you'll be fine. Are you trying to kill me with worry? What if next time you don't return from the surface? There's no one out there, Artyom. No one to find, no one to talk to. If there was, don't you think they'd be here already? We've talked about this again and again. You have to accept it. There's only us.
Colonel! Hello, Alex. There you are, you stubborn fool. How many times are we going to have this conversation? I don't care if you kill yourself over this silly dream of yours. But don't you see what you're doing to my daughter? Your wife?
Dad, please.
The Order is short on men after the battle for D6, but you leave. People need you, and you pursue your selfish obsession. But now this shit has to stop. There's only Metro, nothing else. And the Order is here to defend it. Because if not us, then who? You look fine to me. So, get ready to go. Then, we'll discuss your transfer to Polis. Come, we need to talk.
I'll get the doctor. Artyom, please, promise me this was the last time. I'll see you later.
Artyom, we managed to bring you back from the brink, but people are giving you their blood, which could save so many wounded, and you keep bringing it back irradiated. Don't you think that is unfair? Let me put it this way. I can't promise I'll be able to bring you back next time.
捡回来一条命，刚刚那个是老婆，主角还是前作的主角阿尔乔姆。阿尔乔姆一直执着地在外面寻找其他的幸存者。
Artyom, just try to take better care of yourself, huh? Even if you find someone else out there, they probably have their own troubles. So what would contacting them even accomplish? Besides, I remember we used to receive signals from the outside pretty frequently soon after the bombs fell. But not for a long time now. Doesn't that tell you anything? Ah well, it's your life.
Anna, I told you 100 times already. You must come back to Polis.
I left the Order, and now nobody gets to decide for me. As for Artyom,
Oh, I can't believe my eyes! Artyom, you're alright. You gave us a scare, brother! Artyom! How are you, friend? I see you're alright.
Gentlemen, give
This
way.
calls for a celebration.
Artyom, a few more scars and you'll be completely irresistible to any woman. Speaking of which, how are the nurses in the hospital, huh?
You just stop crowding him. Welcome back, Artyom.
Привет, Artyom.
All right, you're all dismissed. I give you 2 hours, people.
Oh, it's official. I knew it.
You guys are like
So I brought something.
And here we go again.
Please, let's not repeat the last
hold
time.
on, Artyom. And more of nothing. Artyom, the only thing I can hear is that Geiger counter ticking. And there's also those damn things. Calling all the time. Let's go home, dear, please. Don't you think I'd also love to live on an ocean beach or in a green forest? But what good are these fantasies in a silent world? Silent, Artyom? Because it's dead. We took our time. Time to replace our filters. Move it. We don't need any extra radiation, darling. Father will kill me if he finds out I went up with you. Twice if he learns we've been to a Hansa off-limit zone. Have you been to all these ruins?
我是哑巴，你觉得我会回答你吗？
See all the destruction. And Moscow had the best anti-air defenses in the country. If this is how it looks now, imagine how the rest of the world looks.
因为现在我们是在地面，是需要面罩上面的过滤系统才可以的。而这个东西的使用的时间，在我们的左手上面可以看见。
Look, maybe you should come back to the order. We'll move to Polis. Dad says he'll arrange a flat for us. Because if not us, then who? A flat with a kitchen and a shower. Let's go in turns here. It's not stable enough. Careful. At least it held. Well, I'd say we're out of the woods. Whoa, hear that? Did you hear that? Again! Watchman!
老胡大人先上。话说你站在边上好吗？ 老婆，你这个穿墙的本事教教我好吗？
Probably heard us coming down from the roof and decided to ambush us. The beasts are getting smarter. Let's pick up the pace. Now the whole area knows we're here.
大家可以看到我们的左手还有40秒，我们的这个绿毒罐啊就快用完了。我们可以按 T 键进行更换，但是现在不着急。 而在地下是不需要这个东西的，只有在地面，在地下一些特殊场景也是需要这个东西，比如说地下有一些特殊的一些植物会有毒气，我们需要带这个东西，但现在不需要。游戏的画面大家也都看到了，基本上属于是画面新标杆了，就是画面做的特别棒。可惜他的老对手孤岛危机到现在没有新作。
Hear that? It's a pack. Just what we need. A draw. We're lucky the mutants hate each other as much as they hate us. I really don't get why this zone is off limits to stalkers. The radiation and beasts are nothing special. Stop. The pack is here. So, do we turn this place into Thermopylae, or do we let them pass? Wait it out. Looks like that was all of them. I'm glad they didn't notice us. That was a large pack. Oh, is this why the zone is off limits? I mean, if all the packs here are like that.
刚才那一段有点致敬地铁2033刚开始的时候，也有这样一段，怪物乱跑，然后我们躲在一个地方躲过去。游戏把主机上面比较常见的这种拍照系统啊保留了下来，按 F8键可以进行拍照，因为我们在录流程， 啊，反正就跟很多主机的拍照模式一样。
How about we take the bridge to cross the railroad? It would save us a detour. Damn, too high. Hey, Artyom, help me get out there. Shit! Come up now. I got you. Did you hear that, Artyom? Something large roaring. At least it was far away.
Now that's what I call a blizzard. Can't see a thing. Or hear. Let's switch to radios. What? Artyom, are you seeing this? I'm not just imagining things, right? A train! A damn train on the surface!
刚刚在地表竟然有一辆火车开了过去，这是很罕有的。
Shit! What do we do, Artyom? Should we catch up with it? Look! It's our guys from the order! Looks like they're chasing that
自己
train
人
too.
但是
Let's
本期
join
故
them.
事先到这儿，我们下期再见。